So, good afternoon. This is Japneet. I will
After-
conduct your speaking today. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Bablupreet Singh and I am a resident of City Jaipur, which is under Fizikul district Punjab. As far as my education is concerned, I have completed my graduation in BSc Honours Biotechnology.
Okay, that's superb. Now, I will ask some questions regarding your city. Tell me something about your hometown.
Well, Jaipur is my hometown and it is the beautiful and cleanest city. And this place is very special for me because I am born and brought up here and I love this place.
Okay, so why your hometown is special for you?
My hometown is special for me due to some reasons. Um, 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 some reasons.
Mhm.
Because it holds the uncountable memories of my childhood, and this is a place where I never feel scared or left out, and this place gives me an amazing sense of confidence.
Okay, this place gives, huh?
Gives.
Gives. Okay. One pause. Great. Now I will ask you questions regarding your current stage. Okay, do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, obviously I am enjoying a lot of my current stage of my life because at that time I am full of energy and I am at the peak of my career. I am going at different places to explore the world, and I also meet new people.
Okay, this is good. A minor repetition, right? Okay. So, in what stage of life you were the happiest?
I think the childhood stage is the most happiest stage because at that time I was free to move around, and the only one thing I had to do was study and play more games.
Okay, and which kind of video games did you play?
Uh, uh, there are many video games that I played in my childhood, like
Hmm.
Mario and Contra.
Okay, there were, Hannah. I
Okay.
played second form. Great. Now, what about cars? Do you like to travel by cars?
Yes, definitely. I love to travel by car because I think it is the most comfortable mode of transport, and it also provides ease to stop anywhere or anytime according to our wish.
Okay, and how often do you take buses, public transport?
Well, whenever I have to go by long places, I usually prefer bus because it is a cheap mode of transport.
Hmm. What are the advantages of trains according to you?
Uh, the most
Mhm.
advantage is that uh, it is the cheapest mode of transport. Moreover, it is faster than the bus.
ठीक है. It was fine. The biggest बोल सकते हैं ना? The biggest advantage is this,
Okay.
right? Okay, it was super. Now let's move to the second part. That is cue card. Hello. Your cue card is describe a time when you felt bored, right?
Okay.
And you have 1 minute to prepare. This is your. This is not paper. This is book, but you can use it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, time's up. Let's get started with the cue card.
I had many friends and I hardly experienced boredom. And I always surrounded by either family or friends because I am a gregarious person. Although there are very few episodes, and I very well remember a time when I was extremely bored. It was during a 5 years before during my school picnic. Well, all of my friends, uh, all my friends were make a plan to go on a trip, and on the trip I was felt lonely because two of my best friends did not come along, and and on that time the bus had started and I could not deboard it. One of my friend could not make it because due to some medical emergency at his home, and the other one missed the bus. The whole experience was terrible for me because I felt very lonely, and I was disinterested in all the activities during the picnic time. Uh, Moreover, I do not play games with my other friends, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and I was waiting for a time to go back for our home because I am feel very lonely. Then I indulge into my other classmates who were very kind to include me in their group. And during the picnic, I ate alone and heard some music to kill my boredom. And then in the bus, I was settled at the window seat, so I enjoy the view of countryside areas. Um, then yes. Then I also play some games during the picnic time and to kill my boredom. So this was the time when I felt very bored.
Okay. It was good. It was fine, but there were like few mistakes, you know. Like I am always surrounded. I am right, and it was I guess 5 years ago. It was I guess 5 years ago. All my friends made because it is in the past, right? Second form. One of my friends, as we have to use as right. I did not play any game because it is in the past, and I was feeling lonely. I indulged and repetition है ना and otherwise it was good and enjoyed the view second form है ना मतलब basically the common mistake is this tense right past and present. Okay, so when do you feel bored?
when I did not find something interesting or exciting, and doing the same thing over again and again, and that leads to monotonous, and at that time I felt bored.
Okay, that leads to monotony बोल सकते हो ठीक है and when I do not find because present ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ना when do people feel bored right okay what can people do when they feel bored?
People can opt for any physical activity according to their interest, like they can listen to music, watching television, and playing games outside. Moreover, if they have a long period of time, they can try their hand at cook. Because whenever I am alone at home and feel bored, I always try to cook some new dishes.
Okay, it was superb. Okay, they can try their hand at cooking. You have to use ing with it. Okay, next is do people get bored about daily routines?
Yes, definitely. People felt bored when they doing the same thing again and again, and they follow the same routine in their daily life. Moreover, they feel monotonous. And if I talk about myself, I also feel bored by doing same activity again and again. So I try to do new things in my daily life.
ओके इट वाज सुपर ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन एंडिंग है ना लाइक जैसे अपना आंसर करा ऐसा लगा कि हाँ एंड प्रॉपर हो रहा है ओके एंड पीपल फील बोर्ड बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन वाज इन प्रेजेंट नॉट फेल्ट बोर्ड. This is the end of your speaking test. It was good, and your score is 6. It's just because of your confidence and the way you speak, right? And we just need to work on just minor grammatical mistakes. Otherwise, it was super, right?
Thank you.